Hey everyone, welcome to a new video from our Play With Me Toys for Kids channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Barbie vending machine, fashion vending machine. So, to try it out, I've chosen this Barbie fairy dressed in pink with pink wings and a pink tutu. No Barbie came with this set, so I've got my own Barbie here that we're going to buy some accessories from our vending machine. Okay, Barbie, which new pair of shoes would you like? I would say let's go with pink, since we've got lots of pink for you. Your outfit is pink already. And there is a pair. So we'll crank those all the way to the top. Okay. And with the lever at the top, we'll push those over. There they are. Here is our selection. Pair of pink heels, wedges actually. So let's change Barbie's shoes to her new pink wedges. Perfect. Okay, so Barbie has a new pair of shoes. Okay, now Barbie could probably use a new purse as well, and since we're in the pink theme, let's look for a pink one. I'm gonna go with this purse here. You can see it's pink with this design on it too. It almost looks like a knit design. So let's give her this purse to carry. Okay, I think Barbie is set with her new accessories, shoes, and purse. As you can see, here is her new outfit. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this Barbie Fashionistas vending machine. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye!